Hi everyone, I'm Akila. In this video, let us design the visual to compare the current year sales with the previous year sales. So here we can see it's a line graph where the axis is giving the month from January to April and this y-axis is giving the total sales. So as of now, we haven't applied any filter. So it is giving 2023 plus 2024 data. The sum of sales is till date. Okay, so now how do I compare with two lines in the same graph? Because total sales is in the same column and the date of the sale with year and month details will is in the same column. So how can I make it into two different lines in this visual? I need to come up with a measure for the current year sales, one measure, and the previous year sales as one measure. Current year sales is equals to, I'm calling the calculate function and summing up the financials column sales, financial stable sales column. Okay, now I need to filter the data to get only current year sales. So I'm directly writing year function across financials date.one column where please read the year for this particular date and for each and every row check whether the year is same as current year or today. Because today, whenever I open this report, for this year it will be 2024. For the next year it will be 2025. So I'm just checking the current day, year, and so this will give me the values for the current year. Okay. Sum of sales, I will call this measure current year sales. See, this is the current year sale. Okay, now let me write another measure. Previous year sales. There are n ways to achieve this requirement. This is one of the way to achieve this. If you see my previous videos, there are like I have used many other filters, functions, and ways to achieve this. Year of the financial stable date.one column should be equals to the current year minus 1, right? Previous year means that's what I'm doing here. Current year minus 1. So it will filter out the data. You may be wondering that I'm directly writing the year checking. I can write this or I can even write a filter function and then write this condition. Both are correct. Now let me call this also in the y-axis. See, previous year sales and current year sales. Previous year sale data is till April, so it is giving till April. With the current year data is only till March, so it is giving only March data. See, current year sales is very like making very less profit or something compared to previous year. You can easily compare the current year and previous year sales and we can take the business decisions to improvise and meet at least the previous year sales. Hope this is useful. Thank you.